military law news, a major general is being court-martialed in the Air Force. This isn't the first time that the Air Force has court-martialed a general level officer. Matter of fact, they did one about 18 months ago, which resulted in a conviction. The general is facing charges of sexual assault, as well as some other, what we call in this business, ash and trash, lower level charges such as conduct unbecoming an officer. And what sets this case apart? First of all, this case has gone to a preliminary hearing. And from what I read in the news reports, there was no probable cause on the sexual assault. In my opinion, the Air Force is trying to make another example out of a general level officer. And what ends up happening is when you go ahead and prosecute someone that's that high ranking and you don't have the evidence, one of two things is going to happen. They end up convicting the guy of something that he didn't do, or he's acquitted. Either way, it's a bad look for the system. If he's found not guilty, which if there's no probable cause, he should be, then that could have the opposite effect that the Air Force intends to have, because it looks like the general just, quote, got off or was acquitted because of his rank instead of because of the lack of evidence. The case is going to be going to trial sometime in 2024. I wouldn't be surprised if they cut some sort of a plea deal where they remove the sexual assault allegation from the charge sheet and then turn around and allow him to retire in exchange for him pleading to some sort of lesser offenses. The Air Force is kind of in a bind here because once you go after someone like a major general, everybody's watching, it's in the news, and they're all waiting to see what happened. It's a bad look if the Air Force presses forward on a case and they don't have sufficient evidence to even prove probable cause. That's a very low standard under the law, and you shouldn't even be going to court-martial on a charge in which there is no probable cause.
If you like our content, like and click subscribe below.